Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another breaking crypto news episode. First of all, Bitcoin hit 29,000 yesterday for the first time. Pretty cool to witness this because I actually did not expect it to hit so close to 30,000 in the year 2020. I thought 2021 was going to be the most amazing year for crypto, but maybe the best days are behind, maybe not. Maybe we'll still see 34,000 very soon here, who really knows. However, ETFs have been given another shot. VanEck gives Bitcoin ETF another shot after withdrawing its most recent Bitcoin ETF application in September 2019. One of the early players is seeking a Bitcoin-based ETF, and they're back to try it again. VanEck has once again applied with the US SEC to gain approval for the first Bitcoin ETF called VanEck Bitcoin Trust. Now, it's actually pretty interesting to see how the history of this has played out, since it's been declined quite a number of times, and there's of course been quite a lot of other issuers who have tried to get a ETF going. However, there's a good chance that VanEck is going to be one of the first ones to get it done. First of all, they've tried quite often. Second of all, we got a new pro-crypto commissioner over at the SEC since Jay Clayton stepped up and left. And I think quite a lot of positive impulses here have come by, which make it more likely that we'll see it this year, especially considering as well that the regulations are coming in right now. We got some regulations coming in for the wallets, we got some regulations coming in for stablecoins, we got some regulations coming in for the lawsuit against XRP. And talking about that one, by the way, make sure if you're from the US that you quickly check out on exactly what exchanges you still have XRP, as some exchanges will stop deposits/trading, but I've seen that some exchanges might actually, again, I'm not too certain about this, but might actually delist it all completely, or might make you withdraw the coins. Just quickly check your stashes to see what exactly happens there, and if you want to, you'll always be able to just grab your money from that exchange to a wallet that you own. However, following what I just said, there might be some new regulations coming to just your own wallets pretty soon as well. And if you have no idea about those, don't worry, but it is about self-custody wallets, like for example those Ledger Nanos or Exodus and whatnot. Wall Street revives dream of a Bitcoin ETF with new SEC filing. It's a little bit of the same, however it actually stands out a little bit differently, as we're seeing it here at this side from a different perspective. And the reason I'm saying it like that is because really, this one just talks about, hey, a Bitcoin ETF is being made. It kind of sounds like it's for the people. It kind of sounds like they're just trying to pioneer something for the crypto space. Nothing really specifically. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, of course. According to its recent proposal, VanEck Bitcoin Trust will represent Bitcoin holdings at a 1-to-1 ratio. It sounds pretty cool. However, if you read it here, you're like, oh, Wall Street revives dream of a Bitcoin ETF with new SEC filing. And from that perspective, you really get the idea that, hey, if this were to pull through, we'd get so much money pumped into crypto. Right now, the biggest crypto purchaser is Grayscale, or at least they're purchasing a huge amount, 3 times the amount that's being mined, and thus they're definitely one of the bigger whales in crypto. However, considering that there's also quite a lot of opportunity still for an ETF to just take over, since I personally wouldn't really be against owning ETFs. It just makes it very simple to own crypto without having to do it yourself. The trust right now has a pretty high management fee, and I kind of wonder what the management fee would be for this new ETF, or at least what the hidden fees are going to be surrounding it. We don't know just quite yet. That VanEck has the confidence to file for a Bitcoin ETF might indicate that some shifting viewpoints within the SEC have come, said Nate Gerasi, president of the ETF Store, an investment advisory firm. Quote, a key to watch as this drama continues unfolding is who President Biden taps as SEC chair. That could be the difference in whether a Bitcoin ETF is approved. And since we got a positive crypto stance from the SEC now, there's a good chance this will be coming. I mean, to me, it's actually quite certain that it will be coming eventually. It's just about when it will be accepted. And here's another quote. By filing now, it will restart the clock for a review when there will be the new SEC membership and leadership, said Todd Rosenbluth, director of ETF research for CFRA Research. However, I think the SEC has made it clear that they have concerns that needed to be overcome first, and thus we might not be seeing it very soon here, but it will be coming up. And I definitely do consider that we may get one at the end of 2021 already. it may actually be so. We got some new shifts in the SEC. Hey, it could be pretty damn good, especially noticing that crypto has done so much this year. It has gone up so ridiculously much. It's a crazy time, guys. It is a crazy, crazy time. Having said that, hopefully you all enjoyed this little quick update. Again, it's a very important day. We got a huge new high for Bitcoin, of course, and this new ETF most likely coming up. Plus, check out where your XRP is. I'm still holding XRP, by the way, but I must tell you guys all to be careful a little bit as there's a lawsuit going on. And that was it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again in another one.